I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 times.
You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
So mga kulas, we are now in Pattaya. Again, Pattaya is one of the main tourist destinations here in Thailand. It's only at least 1 hour and 40 minutes from Bangkok. And going to Nongnooch Tropical Garden, which we are going today, it's only about 30 minutes. There's a lot of tourist attractions here. So if you come here as a tourist, I think, in my opinion, Pattaya is one of a must-see city here in Thailand. You can take a bus from Bangkok if you want to go visit Pattaya. You can rent or hire a taxi, and you can rent a car by yourself. Why not? If you have like an international driver's license, go ahead. A group of 4 or 5 people, I think it's better, and it's cheaper, and it's of course more convenient. So this is it. It's a rainy day. It's the parking area. This is it, mga kakules. So as you can see, it's very, very crowded. So today we are going to tour you around Nongnooch Tropical Garden. This is a very, very beautiful place. Different collections of plants, and they have a new addition. I think it's the dinosaur place they also have. So this place is perfect for family. And if you have kids, this place is the right place for you. This kind of theme park, I really do enjoy because they do have different and beautiful collections of plants. So let's go. Let's start with cactus or cacti. Ang gaganda nila. Imagine. Oh wow, look at these. Please comment below if you know the name of these. Wow, this is magnificent. So this is the area of different cactus or cacti. This one is golden barrel cactus. I mean, cactuses are really cool, I think, but I don't really collect them, so I really don't know their names. Okay, please comment below. These are the different types of cacti. Do you know what they remind me of? Like, you know, Ferrero chocolate, like that. And of course, they do look like Christmas trees. Mga kakules, look at the arrangement of these. Very, very nice. I'm so impressed. The way they put this together, they really put an effort to make this look wonderful. I'm amazed. This place, mga kakules, this is actually perfect if you like to take photos. Very beautiful backdrop or background. Look at these different cactuses.
I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 times.
So guys, we are just right here by the main entrance, and I couldn't actually resist, and I'm so overwhelmed. I feel like I really don't want to vlog this because I just want to enjoy the view. But anyway, of course, I want to share this with you. Again, we are still at the cactuses area of Nongnooch Tropical Garden. So this is really, really nice, beautiful scenery. Wonderful, very lovely. So as you can see, if you look up, mga kakules, those are ferns, hanging ferns, right? And again, this is new. 5 years ago, this area wasn't here yet. Because as I said, I've been here many times. This is perfect sa mga kababayan kong Pilipino, to plantitas and plantitos. This place, Nongnooch Tropical Garden, is perfect for you. I am speechless. The way they decorate this place with different plants. Wow. This is just overwhelming. Guys, look. It's like really you are in paradise. It's like jungle in the middle of the city. Very nice, mga kakules. These are all real plants. No fake here. All real plants. So, wow. And look at the heart shape. Hanging plant. Oh, this is just amazing. I really can't find a word to describe this place. All I can say is this place is just stunningly, stunningly beautiful. I'm so happy right now. This is my place. This is so me. I love beaches and I love this kind of place. I love plants. I love them so much. So I wish I could build a house surrounded by this kind of plants. I wish. Maybe someday. So mga kules, are you ready for this? I'm gonna tour you now.
I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 times with the same soul. But do you ever try to path on the right side, put it up in your mind? But do you ever try to path on the left side, put it up in your mind? It's gonna be alright. You run, try, grow your mind. You run, try, grow your mind. You run, try.
Yes, mga kules, this is really confusing because everywhere you look, this is just magnificent. I mean, really, this is one of the most beautiful, well-decorated tourist theme, what do you call this, theme park or theme attraction that I have been to. Oh, see, when you're feeling hot, there's a big fan. And yes, mga kules, even though it's raining outside, you are covered with big roof. So don't worry because you are not gonna get wet. Wow. Let's get lost in the jungle. I'm so pleased and I'm so happy seeing a lot of local tourists, a lot of Thai are actually traveling too. I mean, going to these places make me feel like, you know, everything is fine and everything is normal. At least this is for our mental health, I guess, to relax and enjoy and transcend the ugliness and the chaotic world, transcend it into a beautiful one. Why not?
Grow your mind. You run, try, grow your mind. Seeing all the water rain fill your eyes, doing the things they know, talking about the same.
This is just almost 2 hours from Bangkok. And of course, you can take your kids. And again, mga kules, because we are working here and we have work permits, so we don't have to pay right now and we are fully vaccinated. But for the tourists, maybe it's a different story. Right now, we didn't pay at all. So we don't know yet how much it would cost if you come here as a tourist. So if you come visit Thailand, please don't forget to visit Nongnooch Tropical Garden. Thank you for subscribing. See you in the next vlog.